Hi guys, this is Mesh. Today we're going to the Kitchen Store outlet in North Conway, New Hampshire. Malapit lang ito sa bahay namin dito sa Maine. So I really enjoy stopping by here guys kasi napakaganda ng mga tinda nila. Are you familiar with Corelle brand? So ang Corelle famous for their bowls and mugs and plates na very durable and stylish. Itong Corelle brand is made in the US and as you can see, meron silang different styles. Meron silang square at saka meron silang round na mga plates. I use my Corelle dishes here in the US and I also sent some to the Philippines kasi napakamahal nito dyan sa atin. Sorry guys, talagang nahirapan na tuloy ako sa kong pagtagalog. And this one here, you can buy a box set or you can use, you can buy individual pieces as replacement sa mga broken ones niyo. Oh, diba? That's very nice. Okay guys, let's check out the other brands that they have here at the store. Here is Corningware French White, famous for their casserole dishes and bakeware. I love my Corningware also guys. And of course, who wouldn't like Pyrex, famous for their clear glass containers and bakeware dishes. Can you just imagine guys, all this beautiful serveware, glass serveware here. And let's move on to the fancier Mikasa brand, famous for their porcelain and bone china plates. Of course, I remember this for weddings, diba? How about this one guys? Are you familiar with Lodge cast iron skillet? They're very famous here in the US. I think they're the oldest cast iron maker here in the US. So anyway, I just love my cast iron skillet as well as my enameled cast iron na Dutch oven. They're perfect for those dishes na matagal maluto ba. For example, like patatim, nilaga, bulalo, adobo, beans, at saka yung mga stew. So I just love using my Dutch oven for those slow cooking dishes guys. How about some pots and pans from Farberware? Ikaw guys, meron ka bang nagustuhan na mga kitchenware dito sa pinakita ko? So I hope you like it guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, bye!